Hi viewers, welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel to receive the further notifications when I upload the video. In previous video, I explained how to download and install the environments. In this video, I am going to show you the next environment, Pycharm Community Edition. So this is who are going into the development side. The advanced and development side, this is the best environment. So how to open it, you can see, just double click on it. Now the environment is opening. So you can see it here. This is the Pycharm Community Edition window. Here I have already some previous projects are there, but now I'm going to show you. If you have the previous files or maybe previous projects you already have, then go to open here and browse it. Where you are having that file. But now I'm going to show you how to create a new project in the Pycharm Community Edition. Just click on the new project here. Now you can see the location. It is going to save in the location of C user Siri Pycharm projects. Now I'm selecting the name of the project. So I'm going to give like a Siri Algorithms. This is my location. This is my new project name. And you can see the new environment. It is a virtual environment. At this moment, I don't want to give much confusion on the what is virtual environment and that I don't want to discuss now. In upcoming videos, when I am going to explain the front-end applications, in that I will explain the what is the importance of virtual environment. That part I will discuss there. Okay. Right now you can take the default environment is virtual environment, and now I am going to give the location, the environment name. I am going to select it here. The environment name I selected like a Siri. Okay, you can give the environment name. Next it is a base interpreter. You can see, if you right now it is 3.10 version. If you have the different interpreters, then you can select it where you want to create the environment, which interpreter you want. So just I am taking this one, 3.10, and this main.py, don't do anything, because main.py, it contains all the Python packages and it identifies the Python script what you are writing under this. So just create, just press the create. So drop files here. Yeah, now you can see this one. Siri Algorithms is the new project. So if you want to create a new Python file, just click on it here, right click on it and go to new, and you can see it here, Python file, HTML file, which file you want, that you can take it. Maybe I'm going to take like a Python file. Name, you can select the name of the file. Maybe I'm taking like a test.py. Directly you can write it test.py, or you can see you have the option Python file. So you no need to write like a .py here and enter. So it is going to create the test.py under the environment of Siri. Now I'm going to show you some options here. Maybe if you want to increase the font size, or you want to change the theme of the background, you can go to edit here and go to file and settings. You can take the settings, click on it. This is appearance and behavior. It is the background of the total environment. If you want to change the theme, you can go to here, and if you use this one, you can see the complete white, like it is not pure white, some color is coming in the white background. And if you select this theme, you can see it comes into this way. Darkula, if you select, you can see this is the environment looks. but I always prefer to use the high contrast. So if you use this one, the environment looks like this. And if you want to change the font style, you can change it here. Just select it here, you can scroll down and you have like a font styles are there. And if you want to increase the size, font size, if you want to increase it, you can see, you can take the font size according to your requirement. Maybe if you want to increase the where you are writing the developing code, that font size, if you want to increase it, go to editor here, just click on the editor, go to font, and here you can see the font size. Right now it is 16. That means this one, whenever writing the developing code, you can see the font size is 16 right now. If you want, you can change it to 18. When I am pressing like a 18, you can see this is the change. And if you want to line height, if you want to increase the line height, default is 1.2. If you want, you can go like a 1.6. You can see this is the way. So according to your requirement, you can change the size of the font, and you can change the line height also. But I am going to take like a 1.2 and the size is 16. So whenever you change it, you make some changes on this, just click on apply and go to OK. Now I'm going to show you some options here. You can see we have like n number of options are there. If you want to create a new project, you can click on it here also. And new open any file, any project file. If you want to open it, just click on open, save as. We have a number of, if you want to export the project, the file, that also you can do it. Print option is there. And in the edit, you can see cut, copy, delete, paste. We have like a number of options are there. And view also, navigate, code, referral, refactor, run, tools. We have like a number of tabs are there, and having a number of options in this environment. But I'm not going to explain you detailedly at this moment, because when we are moving into the front end application development side, then I will explain each and everything there itself. So now here you can see the bottom, you have like a Python packages. Just click on it here. If you want to install any Python packages, just you can type it here. We have like a NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, TensorFlow, PyTorch. We have like n number of libraries are there in the Python. Maybe I'm going to show you one of the installation. Maybe I try to install the NumPy library. So just search, type the library name, and you can see it here. Come to here, and which version you want to install it. You have the all lower versions also there. You can see which version according to your requirement. You can select the version number. Maybe now I'm taking the latest one. So if you want to install the latest version, just click on it here and just press the install. Your library going to be installed. You can see installing package NumPy. This is one way to install the packages, and second way also there. Maybe if you want to, you can see packages installed successfully. This is one way, directly you can do it, or you go to terminal. Here you can see the terminal, and you can see here you can it is getting the my environment name here. Just wait. You can see this is my virtual environment Siri. In this environment, I am going to install the package. If you want to install through the terminal, you can write like a pip install. Later you write the name of the library. Maybe I want to install the NumPy. Just click on it. It's going to take little, it's not much time. You can see already installation done. You are using pip version. Okay, this already NumPy installed. So if you want to close the terminal, you just close it. See this. Now the terminal was closed. Now I'm going to show you how to write the code into the test.py. What file we just now I taken a new file, that is test.py, and you can write the code here. So first I'm writing some description. Maybe if you want to use the hash, that is single commenting, I'm writing like some description is here. This is my first program. Okay. Under this I'm going to write like some code. Maybe a is equal to 10. You can go to b is equal to 2. If you want to do you are expecting the quotient value in the form of integer, you can write like the quotient value is you can write like a floor division. If you are expecting your quotient value in the form of integer, you can use. Now you can, source must be saved. That means first you can save the file, Control S. Now come to the terminal. Come to terminal, write the Python. What is your file name here? Test.py. Test.py. Enter. You can see the quotient value is 5. And if you want to close this terminal, just CLS. Close. Now if you want to write one more program, just I don't want to write again, just copy this one, I'm going to paste it. Now this is for addition, maybe the sum value. The sum value is a plus b. You can take it. Control S. Go to terminal. Type either you can type it here in terminal. You can type it there. Or just arrow. You can press the arrows here. You can go and see the Python test.py. Enter. The previous program is quotient value is this one, and the current program is sum value. Both get executed. Maybe if you don't want the previous program, just block it. Just use the single hash. Commenting. Now you can save it and come to terminal, and you can just write the Python test.py is the file. Execute. Only the current one get executed. This is the generally how we are going to write the program in the Pycharm community editor. In next video, I am going to show you the Jupyter notebook in perspective of data science and artificial intelligence, how to set up the environment and what are the options we are having. Because Jupyter notebook have the n number of attractive features, those we are going to discuss in the next video. Please subscribe my channel to receive more videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.